Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will tell you how to make tamarind and mint sauce. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it. So we have just taken two small bunch of mint and one small bunch of coriander. Then we have washed it and have placed it in water for 10 to 15 minutes so we can easily remove the dust from it. Now we have also added 10 to 12 pieces of green chili. Now we have taken 3 tablespoons of tamarind and placed in the water for 30 minutes so we could easily separate the pulp. Now after 30 minutes we can easily separate the pulp from our fingers with the help of our fingers, and now we are adding it in the hand blender. We have placed all other material as well in the hand blender, and now we have added half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now we will mix all these with hand blender. Hand blender is better for such sauces. We can also shake it if we don't have the hand blender. It will take only 3 to 4 minutes, and now tamarind and mint sauce is ready. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel so we could share other videos with you. Thank you and goodbye.